Hello guys, in this video we are going to check if the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G supports SD cards. So let's look at the SIM tray and see what's inside. As you can see, the tray only has two slots for SIM cards. Unfortunately, there is no dedicated SD card slot. This means the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is limited to the built-in storage and you cannot expand it with a microSD card. The phone comes in 128 gigs or 256 gigs of internal storage. So if you take a lot of photos or videos, it's best to choose the model with more storage. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more smartphone tips and tutorials. Bye.